So this is a video to demonstrate how we go about entering our answers to our week 1 quiz. Be sure to read the quiz instructions carefully before you submit or before you even begin to answer any of your questions. But in this week's assignments, we've been working on properties of exponents, and we've been working on the distributive property, and we've been working on factoring. So with some of the questions, we're going to get answers that are fractions. So you need to enter them as such, like 1/7 would just be typed as 1-7. Also, pay close attention to any rounding instructions. And if, for instance, you're typing a polynomial and you have to have an x squared term, like 5x squared that we see here, then 5x squared would be typed using the caret key. 5x, the caret key, and then the 2. And of course, the caret key is a second function or shift function on the 6. So for instance, on this question, we are asked to identify or multiply 5a squared b cubed by 6a to the 5th b. And I ask you to identify each of the parts of your answer. So the coefficient would be whatever you get when you multiply those coefficients together. I'm making up answers. I'm not giving you the answers here. But say you think that the coefficient of your final answer is 25. Then you would just type 25 here. The exponent on the a means that you need to apply the appropriate property of exponents to know what you get when you multiply a squared by a to the 5th. Let's say you decided it was a to the 10th. Then the exponent on the a would be 10. The exponent on the b is the same thing. It's identifying what the exponent on the b would be when you multiply b to the 3rd by b. Let's say you decided it was b to the 7th. Then you would type the exponent on the b is 7. Let me know if you have any questions.